So I have this cute little doggy who decides he wants to follow me. See? This is pink hibiscus. This is double orange hibiscus. This is aloe vera. We have one butterfly orchid here. A little rose.
Yes. Yes. You don't know? No.
Orchid. Okay.
This one. What is this one? S.
Sapodilla. Aloe vera. This is sapodilla. Let me bring it a little closer for you to see. This is sapodilla. This is ginger lily over there.
Alright, them. Yeah.
Ginger lily.
Give pressure
That
to
plant
everything, right?
See? A purple orchid up inside it.
So this is their property or this is...
What's inside?
Oh, you say what's bolo the young, bolo young.
You see a breadfruit tree? This is a breadfruit tree. You see the fruits on the breadfruit tree.
Last night, all that dry show, I was dry.
This is a nice white rose.
Yeah, last night was dry.
This is a small croton. This croton. Wow, this is beautiful. This video is for my flower lovers. My people who into plants. See how beautiful? See how beautiful God has prepared stuff for us. Pink hibiscus. Yes? Yes, that's cocoa. That's cocoa over there. Huh? Works is dead.
Works is dead.
You see cocoa? This is the cocoa. See that there? That is where they make cocoa from. But we have one right here. This is a cocoa pod. This video is for my plant lovers. orange. This is an orange tree. Small, but it's orange. Wow. All of this. See how beautiful this buttercup? This is a buttercup, variegated buttercup. Wow. Watch down in there now. And all this is in Trinidad and Tobago, La Paz. See, now I'm going to show you down in the valley there. Look at those mountains. See how beautiful. Please stop staying inside. Come out. Enjoy. 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 Enjoy what God has prepared for us. The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. All this thing He created for His pleasure so that we could enjoy. So that we could enjoy it too.
Yeah, employment.
So they sell plants and they sell plants or just
If you want, you could ask them for, they would give you.
Orange. See, I tell all you, I'm living my best life, you know. Watch that view now. Watch. All you think all you could beat me, God? Oh, could make something beautiful as these. Huh? Watch. Watch those mountains. Oh, see. See how high this tree is? Watch, watch. All in La Paz in Trinidad.